Hey guys, welcome back to my channel High on Life Dreamer. My name is Karma and I hope you all are doing really well. In my last video, I know I told you guys that I'll tell you the reason why I did make YouTube videos for few weeks in between. Now today I'm going to share the reason with you. Last month, we were hit by second wave of corona and everybody was really devastated by it. A lot of our loved ones, friends, lost their family, their friends, their loved ones. And कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा गंभीर सा माहौल था ना कि कुछ करने का मन नहीं कर रहा था. Personally, I had this feeling that there's so much bad happening outside. There's so much pain outside. There's so much grief outside. But I was not able to help anyone. And that guilt took me over. And I really didn't feel like doing anything. So that is why YouTube video बनाने का मन नहीं कर रहा था. Or for that matter, anything else also, which are like the daily routine. And that's how, I thought, I spoke to myself. I thought that why not do something to help those people who are in pain? I really got motivated by the frontline workers. Salute to our doctors, policemen, all those people who were actually fighting this deadly disease while we were sitting at home. And I thought, why not do something? So I'll tell you what I was busy in. Have a look. Hey guys, good morning. We at Dear Desi, along with the narrators and the browsers, have taken this initiative under our campaign, We Shall Overcome, to provide free meals to people who are right now COVID positive. We want your support. Help us in spreading this word. So anyone who is suffering right now, maybe in Panchkula or Chandigarh, can contact us and we will provide them with free food.
The food is being prepared keeping in mind all the safety protocols of COVID-19. And right now, at this point, people who are suffering through COVID-19 want homemade food. So we made sure कि घर का खाना प्यार से और with a lot of care we are able to provide with you.
So guys, you see, this is what I was busy in, and that is why I could not make YouTube videos, or I didn't want to, or I didn't feel like. The kind of satisfaction it gave me. In Hindi, what do we call it? Sukoon mila. That I was able to help people who were in pain, who were in need, and do my bit, contribute something, to the society in this time of need, when everyone was suffering from COVID-19, mentally, emotionally, physically, people who were suffering, they needed someone to help. And if I could even do 1% of my bit into it, I felt really good. Now the second most important thing, which was really bugging me, after seeing so many deaths, so many people losing their loved ones, I started questioning the whole concept of karma. बचपन से हमको बोला जाता है कि अच्छे कर्म करो, उसका अच्छा फल होता है. जो अच्छा काम करते हैं, भगवान उनके साथ अच्छा करता है. But so many people were dying, and I'm sure they were good human beings. And I question myself that what is karma then? Is there someone out there जो हिसाब किताब लिख रहा है? Whatever we do, is it a bad karma or a good karma? और अगर वो हिसाब किताब लिख रहा था कहीं, तो जिन लोगों की डेथ हुई, I personally knew few people who were really good human beings. And I don't know कभी उन्होंने कोई bad karma करा होगा. Still, they were no more. And that's the time I thought I need to find an answer to this question. So I indulged myself into reading this book by Sadhguru, Karma Guru. Because I wanted to know what exactly is karma. And after reading this book, I realized karma is not what you and me think. It is not some, account of our bad deeds and good deeds. It's nothing like that. Karma is just simple action. The day we take ownership of our action, our life will become much more simple. So it has nothing to do with reward, punishment, good karma, bad karma. All these notions are given by society to us to keep humans in check. Karma is simply taking ownership of your own actions. And Sadhguru says the day we take ownership of our own actions, we actually create our own destiny. And we sit in the driver's seat of our destiny and we say, okay, I can make my own fate. So, whatever happened in COVID-19 is something which no one can explain. I was looking forward to an answer. The only answer that I got from reading Sadhguru's book was that everything is inside ourselves. You know, a, a person who's born will eventually die. It is all God's plan. But yes, that doesn't mean that we should not look at the consequences of our action. It is as simple as that. What you sow, so shall you reap. Karma is as simple as that. So if you also had the similar question in mind, I would recommend go ahead and read this book. And I am no way closer to even giving you a synopsis of what Sadhguru says. I'm no way closer to it. So I won't even try. You read the book, you might have your own understanding, your learning, but if you really have this question, I recommend this book to you. The entire concept of what karma is will change once you read this book. So guys, that's it for today. That is what I wanted to tell you. I will come next week with a very entertaining video. We'll come back to the normal routine. I'll see you guys very soon. Take care, bye-bye, and I hope everyone in your family is really safe. Take care.